Hello and welcome to 20-Minute Tech. This is technology training for Irving Middle School teachers, and our topic is Google Forms with Wordle. Wordle is a Web 2.0 tool that we will introduce today, and then we'll show you how to use Google Forms for reflection in your classroom, followed by the combination of the two, a whole class Wordle. Here is an example of a Wordle. Wordle creates word clouds, and the most frequently used word in whatever paragraphs you paste will become the largest words in the word cloud. Therefore, in this example, the most frequently used words were space and new. Wordle is located online at www.wordle.net. I'm at a website where they have a definition of bureaucracy, a rather long and complex definition, and I'm just going to copy the text of the definition. Return to wordle.net and click the Create button. Here you can paste in just a bunch of text, which is exactly what I do, and press Go. Wordle uses Java, so be sure you are enabling Java. And here's an example of a Wordle for bureaucracy. If you don't like your Wordle, you can randomize it so that you receive different colors, different backgrounds, different alignments for your text. And the whole thing can be customized under the fonts, the layouts, the color. If there's a word in there that you really don't like, maybe just don't want it in your Wordle, you just right-click on it and ask to remove it. For this tutorial, I will make the assumption that you are familiar with Google Forms. I've created a very simple Google form. In fact, it is so simple, it only contains one question. Let me sort of show you how I did that. On the form, I chose a much more open-ended question, and I used paragraph text as the question type. Paragraph text will allow for students to write an unlimited number of characters in a text box. For this model, it's important to use an open-ended question, something in which the students will be able to reflect. You may want an exit ticket, a very simple "what did you learn today?" or describe a process, maybe to review an entire timeline of events. Under my example, it was a pre-assessment. From within the Google spreadsheet, after all the forms have been filled in, I'm now going to copy all of the responses. In other words, highlight every cell in which there is paragraph response. Control-C will copy all your text. I'm going to paste not just one student's response, but all of the class responses, and that's what makes Google Forms such a great tool to marry with Wordle. Reflection about peer pressure. Let me try to randomize this so I get some other ones. This is whole class collaboration. It's a great anticipatory set, an informal assessment, and a discussion generator. That's what Google Forms and Wordle gives you.